I'm gonna go help them. Ah, prickly. The prickly bushes are prickly. Owie, prickly bush. All right. We got people going everywhere. Oh, maybe not. What's going on, man? Thank you. I really can't get over that helmet. It's just, it's so
loud.
Extra. Yeah.
Extra.
Very patriotic.
Yeah.
Yeah. This was awesome. He just needed to take his bike out of street mode. Go the other way. Go left. Go left! Go left! You need help? Get going? Get it over! Okay, I'm finally through that watery section. Oh, you're just getting through that watery section? Oh, well, I can hear you now. I see you. But the other ones are that way. Oh, that's a hell of an up, buddy. Yeah, no, you want to... Yeah, we went that way.
The guys went that way?
No, they're right there.
Oh.
I'm gonna go help them. Ah, prickly. The prickly bushes are prickly. Owie, prickly bush. All right. We got people going everywhere. So, is their best bet to...
No, I don't know. I would have come and helped earlier, but I couldn't get my bike going.
Here comes Brodie. Whoop. Hell yeah, Steve. Hell yeah, Steve. Oh, buddy, that watery section that you were just in, I went like swimming in. Oh!
Can't get it off my leg.
Yeah. Oh no, we're good. That's up.
Yeah, I'm just gonna try that.
out, it's that tire, it skips out so bad on him. What a great day to bring the 790. I'm bagged running the 250, man.
The right one, okay.
Yeah, if you can get in the right, you're good. That left line sucks.
One straight ahead?
Yeah.
What do you want to do? Oh, I see it.
Attaboy. Oh. Oh. We're going now. It's nicer up there.
I think it's going to have to get easier before it gets harder.
It does get easier up there. I don't know if it gets harder past that.
Well, you can see all the muck, right?
Yeah. You just slid right out on it.
Yeah. Well, it's going for me.
Yeah. There's an oncoming car and he kind of goosed it to get across.
They look like these. Yeah, I think I could.
In the mud.
So when's your surgery?
May 4th. This last time I'll ride for 9 months if I'm lucky.
9 months? Why?
Because I'm getting the full thing. ACL, MCL, PCL. Boom. Oh, nice. Wow, I was on the inside down for that. Caught me off guard. That's a hole. Going for it. I just went for it. Wasn't that bad. Dude, this is awesome riding. They're going to be pissed they missed it. Oh, nasty. Exactly. That is the spirit into it. Ooh, that was deep. Oh no! Out to come! Out! Ah. Hard right. Oh yeah. What the fuck?
Because you took off 2 or 3 feet. It depends when you hit the gas. That sounds like something at the back end.
Yeah, I'm thinking what you're thinking. I'm thinking he snapped off a couple front teeth.
Yeah.
Do you want to add a little message to that there, Colin?
Check your consumables before you go ride.
Good.
It's not a bad idea. Or you'll find out halfway through when your chain starts going and you lose power because it's not driving anything because it's slipping. It's not good. Not a good look. Not a good sound. For the kids.
Your sprocket looks like that? Jesus, can't even see the teeth on it in the camera.
That is what that looks like.
That is not what a sprocket. This is what it should look like. This is what it does look like. Looks like supposed to, actual. Supposed to, actual. Supposed to, actual.
That's like smooth.
Brutal.